In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the link name on Shopify. Whether you're looking to customize your product pages, collections, or overall store appearance, this guide will walk you through the steps necessary to modify your Shopify URLs to better suit your brand or business needs. Let's start by navigating to the Shopify platform. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the admin panel layout to ensure you can easily locate the necessary tabs and sections throughout this process. Once you're in the admin panel, our first focus will be on changing the link name for a specific product. Go to the Products section where you can find a list of all your store's products. Select the product you want to edit and open its settings. Scroll down until you come across the Search Engine Listing Preview. This is where you can modify the URL. Simply input your desired URL handle here. Remember, spaces will automatically be converted into dashes, which is a standard practice for web URLs. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to click Save to update the URL. Now, if you're looking to change the link name for an entire collection of products, head over to Online Store and then Navigation in your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll see a list of your collections. Click on the specific collection you wish to edit. As before, find the Search Engine Listing Preview and click Edit Website SEO. Now, change the URL handle to your preferred format. Make sure to hit Save after making these adjustments. If you're interested in editing URLs for general pages of your Shopify store, navigate to Online Store and then Pages within your admin. This will display all the static pages you have available. Utilize the search bar to find specific pages or search for entries with labels like Powered By or Powered by Shopify if you're keen on altering footer links or similar items. Once you find the page you want to change, click on it and locate the Search Engine Listing Preview once more. Click Edit Website SEO to modify the URL handle before saving. These simple steps will help ensure your URLs are both search engine friendly and in line with your store's branding. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to change your Shopify link name. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and happy customizing!